I couldn't go live on my Android. So sorry for my lateness, but I am happy to be here with you all. It is Tax Tip Tuesday. So I don't have any specific tax tips today, but I do have some valuable information, right? So this won't take long, I promise. I know it's late on the East Coast. What if it's 7:30 here? It's 8:30 over there. So I won't hold you guys too long, but I wanted to come on as I do every week to talk about like tax tips. Usually I do tax tip Tuesday, or I do an accounting topic, or I'll talk about some recent tax news. And we do have big news today. So I don't know if you all know, but yesterday our Congress, they actually agreed on something and they passed the second stimulus act bill, like since we've officially been in a pandemic. So I want to come on and talk to you all about that. And then I do want to give you a reminder of some tax and accounting things I want you all to try to finish, substantially complete at a minimum before the new year starts, just because we want to start 2021 with hitting the ground running instead of trying to get ready, right? So we'll go over that as well. Hey, Brandy, how you doing? Hey, Marquand, I see you. Um, Everybody just come on in, say hello, and I'm just gonna get right into it. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you leave them in the comments below. Just a bit of housekeeping, okay? I just want to forewarn you all, like I do to my community all the time. Tomorrow, I am dropping my holiday bundle. And so this is like super new news to you all first. No one else knows. But I'm dropping a holiday bundle. It's going to be half off. It's normal price $150. I'm dropping it for $75. It is going to be a collection of all of my resources pertaining to tax planning. Now, it is 9 days left in the year. So it's not like, can you do some tax planning for this year? Absolutely. But especially, most importantly, you can definitely start putting together a tax plan to minimize your taxes, save some money, build wealth for you in your business for 2021. You want to be thinking about what that tax plan could include now. You don't want to wait until 2021 starts, because you want to have that kind of already in motion and implemented. The more time you have left in a year to tax plan, that's potentially more money that you can save, more wealth that you're going to build for yourself and your business. So I am dropping that tax planning bundle tomorrow. It's going to be $75. I'm going to email the link out and I'll post it as well. Like I said, it's a bundle. So before, remember, I offered the ultimate tax planning guide for beautypreneurs. It was $47 and it was just the guide. Well, this time around is going to include all of the tax planning videos that I've ever created. Is going to include the entity type optimizer, right? And so that's a tool that you can use to figure out at any time, at any stage of your business, what business entity structure you should be. That's the number one question I get, is how should I structure my business, my beauty business? What entity structure should I use? Should I be sole proprietor with a DBA, LLC, partnership, S corporation, or C corporation? Well, this tool and this masterclass that's included in the bundle will let you know, give you the resources you need so you know what entity structure you should be at any stage of your business, whether you're a newbie or a veteran, because you're not going to stay the same structure at all time. And it's also going to include some other money saving, like big money saving tax strategies in this bundle. So please keep your eyes, prime for my Instagram feed. If you're on my email list, you're going to see an email. If you're in the text club, you'll see it there. If you're in the Facebook group, you'll see it there. I'm going to make it available so you'll see it and won't miss it. But jump on that opportunity because it will not be available long. Okay. So let's get into the second stimulus bill that was passed yesterday. right? Today's Tuesday. Yeah, it was just passed yesterday. So this is like new, breaking news, breaking news. So I'm sure all of you have already heard about the $600. Well, first, let me set the context for you all. Yesterday, Congress agreed on and they passed a $900 billion package. Okay, that's billion with a B. Okay, that's lots and lots of cash. Now, I want you to compare this to the first round they did back in March. In March of this year, when the pandemic first started, they passed a $2.2 trillion package. Okay. So I know $900 billion seems like a bunch of money, and it is, right? However, it's still like less than half of what they did initially. Now, remember the public outcry, right? When they passed the first package back in March, $2.2 trillion, people were complaining about that, saying how it wasn't enough, right? This time around, they did less than half of that. So, I mean, I guess you can go ahead and assume how you want what the public is gonna, how the public is gonna react to the second stimulus package. Just come on, it's way overdue, but at least they got it done. So, individual COVID relief. Every adult in our country, right, will receive a $600 stimulus payment. And from what I hear, from what I read, it's going to happen pretty quickly. And when I say quickly, I'm talking about the beginning of next week. We have Christmas Eve and Christmas on Thursday and Friday. Then you got the weekend. So they're guessing early to mid next week. So next Monday is the 28th. So between the 28th and the 30th,